Hey everyone, welcome back to POV Drives. Today, let's go for a drive in this 2020 Nissan Maxima SL. You have a 300 horsepower 3.5 liter V6 with a CVT transmission. You have a nice leather wrapped steering wheel. You don't have shift paddles, which are pretty useless in this thing anyway because of the CVT, but this shift paddles only come in the SR. The screen is a little bit small, but it does the job. Heated front seats, sport mode. You have this interesting looking trim, leather. Yeah, you have two sunroofs, which is kind of cool. And you have a Bose sound system. But yeah, let's go. So I mean, these Maximas, they're not bad. Like, they're pretty quick because of the 300 horsepower, but it's just the CVT is the biggest demerit. The engine, I mean, the exhaust just sounds really raspy in these, which I noticed. It just has a very raspy tone to it. But yeah, pretty quick. I mean, that CVT, it doesn't sound good. It feels weird the way it shifts and all that. But the car definitely accelerates really fast. Yeah, that is honestly surprising how quick this thing is. Like, you can definitely overtake someone really easily in this thing, which is nice. Man, if they only put a traditional automatic in this would have been so much better. Like, just put like a 7-speed automatic or something like that in here. It'll be much more enjoyable. And more reliable, because the CVTs are not very reliable. Like, these CVTs start to have a lot of issues around 100,000 miles and more. These Nissan CVTs. Yeah, interior-wise, seats are pretty comfortable. Materials aren't bad. I mean, yeah, with this thing being front wheel drive, it definitely does have some torque steer under hard acceleration. I do wish the exhaust sounded a little bit better. It just, yeah, the raspy note just doesn't fit the character of the car. Like, I feel like if it had a more grunt to it, like, it just, this sounds, it's hard to explain. It just doesn't sound good, is my point. And if you get like a muffler delete on this thing, the rasp, it would be unbearable. And a lot of people do get muffler deletes on these. And resonator deletes, things like that. And let's take a quick look at the car. You have a heated steering wheel. Didn't notice that earlier. That's good. Hey, this is black. Headlights look pretty good. Like the full LED headlights. Decent looking wheels. Yeah, it's a good looking car. It looks good. And you have 4 exhaust tip garnishes to make it look sportier. Yeah, that's about it. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.